Hey y'all, and welcome back to another video. So I did a little something different on this client, and I think it worked. So I'm using a scalp detox on her head. She wanted to do a detox on her scalp. It wasn't horrible, but she requested it, and this stuff is amazing, y'all. It soothes your scalp, especially if your scalp's been inflamed. It really soothes your scalp, and I like to massage it in after I finish applying it. And with the shampoos, I did my mixtures. You'll see that, as well as I like to rinse the client's hair before starting, so I can get a good amount of product off instead of wasting products. Do a good shampoo on the client. A good rinse on the client. That'll usually kind of help get some of that gunk off, the old products, all the good stuff out the hair. So yeah, so I left a little oil on her hair. I didn't add any oil. Only thing I used in her hair today was heat protect when I did her straightener. But I wanted to kind of tell you guys this now so you can enjoy the rest of the video. But yeah, I left a little more oil than usual on her hair, and I didn't mind it because, like I said, it's the summertime. It was able to seal all the moisture and stuff that we did to her hair, so I think that it was a good idea. So I know it was a good idea because it wasn't too much oil. It was more than your average oil, because usually we like to have it nice and dry almost to where it's so flowy with the Silkpress. But y'all, this really worked for her hair, and I didn't mind it as well. And I bet you $100 million that her Silkpress gonna last almost a month in the heat. So yeah, stay tuned, check it out. Y'all tell me what you think during this process. If you feel like, yeah, Crystal, you did the right thing with the oil. Comment below. Y'all enjoy this video.
Breathe in some love and let yourself unfold. Breathe in some love and let yourself unfold. You're so much deeper when you quit playing charades. Yeah. You act so cool, but underneath you seem afraid. There's something sweet about your eyes when you feel safe. Yeah. You keep running away. Owe it to yourself today. Just try to open up and show someone you care. It might not be intentional, but you seem scared. Just try to open up and let it lead somewhere. Breathe in some love and let yourself unfold. Breathe in some love and let yourself unfold. There's something juvenile about your pretty face, but it seems so hard for you to know when you need space. I hope you find your peace and that you get a taste with yourself. Oh, yeah. Let yourself unfold. Yeah. Let yourself unfold. Owe it to yourself today. Just try to open up and show someone you care. It might not be intentional, but you seem scared. Just try to open up and let it lead somewhere. Breathe in some love and let yourself unfold. Breathe in some love and let yourself unfold. Jump your rise, not fall, you flying higher. You jump to fly higher. Open up, just spread your wings listen, jump to right, it's not for you. Flying higher, you jump to fly higher. Standing on the edge while you're looking down, flying down on the ground just to find out. You fly so fly, don't ya? Keep riding skies, won't ya? Standing on the edge while you're looking down, fly down on the ground just to find out. You fly so fly, don't ya? Keep riding skies. To yourself, to there, just try to open up and show someone you care. It might not be intentional, but you seem scared. Just try to open up and let it lead somewhere. Breathe in some love and let yourself unfold. Breathe in some love and let yourself unfold. Breathe in some love and let yourself unfold. Breathe in some love.
Yeah, one more time around. Everything's slowing down, can't control it. Say that you're for me. Right now I need loyalty. It's hard for me to trust you. I've been in before this, I've been through the troubles. It's hard to let you in, I've been giving you the runaround. I double on the dosage, I don't need emotion, no. Right now we young and we dumb and we lit. Been thinking back before when we was kids, yeah. I was caught up in the mix, yeah. And we live for the moment, respond to a calling. It's bigger than all of us, right to the wheels. Give anything to feel something new. High if I fall, no I did it going all in. At the time of my life, right for the squad. No lights through the fog, but we made it, yeah. I'll be good by the morning. I feel like I'm falling. It feel like I'm falling. Feel like I'm falling. It feel like I'm falling. Real eyes see real eyes, real life, real rare. I'm on edge, I make noise, they all is. No cap, all facts, eyes low, but I'm still woke. No patience, heart glacier, can't see me. The young ghost, phone blaring, overbearing. The blessing that I overcherish. Got these rap niggas eyes open glaring cause they overjealous. I'm so overzealous. Whiskey side with the rosemary. I used to want it, not a whole staring. That was back before I could afford a care. Now we on course, I took the tour to Paris. I blew up the bag, that hit me as bad. The guy from the racks that they chastised. They could fast die, telling mad lies. Going bad, tell them get they act right. On my last light, I poured a potion, I've been out of orbit. I've been moving slowly, got me going up, they got my head clouded. I'll be good by the morning. At the time of my life, right for the squad. No lights through the fog, but we made it, yeah. I'll be good by the morning. I feel like I'm falling. It feel like I'm falling. It feel like I'm falling. It feel like I'm falling. Feel like I'm falling. It feel like I'm falling.
Don't wanna take it slow, just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time. I wanna spend some time. Needed some time to grow. Just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time. I wanna spend some time. Ready to talk, baby. Can be your rock, baby. Please come and sit with me or take a walk with me. I need to speak to you, just wanna be with you. Just let me take you for a ride. Is there a chance that we could make another try? I think we're meant to be, didn't wanna say goodbye. If there's a chance, just tell me how. Cause time is precious, time is now. Don't wanna take it slow, just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time, I wanna spend some time. Needed some time to grow, just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time, I wanna spend some time. No, I was dumb, baby, just way too young, baby. I was too blind to see what you meant to me. The things you can't forgive, didn't know how to live, cause I didn't love myself. Wish I could turn back time, go back and do things right. Give you a wedding ring, give you my everything, and be there by your side. Share a life and have a child. Don't wanna take it slow, just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time, I wanna spend some time. Needed some time to grow, just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time, I wanna spend some time. Thinking about you lately, I'm hanging on to, I'm maybe I still miss you every day. You were the one that got away. Been thinking about you lately, I'm hanging on to, I'm maybe I still miss you every day. You were the one who got away. Don't wanna take it slow, just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time, I wanna spend some time. Needed some time to grow, just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time, I wanna spend some time with you. Don't wanna take it slow, just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time with you. I wanna spend some time. Needed some time to grow, just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time, I wanna spend some time. Now I say your name without the pain behind it. I'm moved on now, I'm not trying to impress you anymore. Spending all this time trying to get you out my mind. Oh, it feels so good to take you off the pedestal. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for a lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings and my heart. Oh yeah, yeah, that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings and my heart. Oh yeah. I'm going back to the table round. Oh, they saving us up for the stable friend of mine. Cause they know all this time that I was out my mind, thinking you were the one, that it was love, feelings were strong. I should've known, I should know. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for a lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're messing substitution for your lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're missing. Feelings in my heart, yeah, that's impressive, how much you're missing. Feelings in my heart, oh, yeah. How much you're messing with me. 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 How much you're messing with me.
I wonder, is it worth living now? They told me dreams come true once you live it out. I picked up pieces from my childhood in a broken house and heal my soul from the trauma we've been given out. I hear the whispers in the wind under smoky clouds and tell myself once again, I'ma work it out. So much shit can happen, yo, it got me tripping now. Yeah, it's feeling different now.
Feel like I'm zoned out, put my phone down, damn it's cold out. Plotting on a rollout, we took our own route, really on our own now. These them winter schemes, plotting for better dreams, cooking flows and melodies for OGs with felonies who've been locked since the 70s. You gotta pray for enemies with jealousy, they only feed off the good-hearted. Just don't bargain, stay in your lane and keep hogging. Know that you a target and gotta finish what you started. Life of being an artist, gotta show them where your heart is. Put your all in, keep calling, keep going, don't stall it. Don't fall for what they all been dishing out. Just be yourself and it'll work it out.
I wonder, is it worth living now? They told me dreams come true once you live it out. I picked up pieces from my childhood in a broken house and heal my soul from the trauma we've been given out. I hear the whispers in the wind under smoky clouds and tell myself once again, I'ma work it out. So much shit can happen, yo, it got me tripping now. Yeah, it's feeling different now. Yo, living in doubt could be the death for you. It's only a few that'll rep for you and rarely ones that'll step to you and let you know where you wrong at instead of letting you ride away in your soul. Rather be whole and pure in my spirit. This life never ending until you near it. A lot of shit to bear with. Sometimes you don't wanna share it, but don't keep it in cause you fear it. It's an epidemic sound and you can